In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Cloudflare SSL Handshake failed error. This is a common issue that can pop up when there's a mismatch or misconfiguration between your SSL settings on Cloudflare and your origin server. While it might seem a bit technical at first, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to diagnose and resolve the issue quickly. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Cloudflare account at --classlabor.com. Once you're logged in, sign into your account and select the domain that's showing the SSL handshake error. This is the specific site where you're experiencing the issue, so make sure to choose the correct one from your dashboard. Once you've selected your domain, open the SSL TLS section from the sidebar. Here, navigate to the Overview tab. This is where you'll adjust your SSL mode to align with your origin server's SSL configuration. Cloudflare offers 3 primary SSL modes, and you'll want to select the right one based on your server certificate. If your origin server has a valid trusted SSL certificate, set the mode to full strict. This is the most secure option and ensures that both Cloudflare and your server are properly authenticated. If your server uses SSL but the certificate is self-signed or not fully verified, go with the full option instead. Finally, if your server doesn't have any SSL certificate at all, choose Flexible. However, keep in mind that Flexible should only be used as a last resort. If your server already supports HTTPS, using Flexible can actually cause handshake failures, so avoid it unless absolutely necessary. Next, go back to the SSL TLS section and open the Edge Certificates tab here. Double-check that Universal SSL is enabled. This is a critical feature that allows Cloudflare to generate and manage SSL certificates for your domain. If you notice that Universal SSL is showing as pending or inactive, click the Reissue Certificate button to initiate a fresh issuance. This process can take a few minutes, so be patient, while the new certificate propagates globally. If you're still seeing the handshake error at this point, the next step is to temporarily toggle off TLS 1.3 within the Edge Certificates section. TLS 1.3 is the latest protocol for secure connections, but in some cases it can interfere with the handshake process, especially if there's a compatibility issue with your origin server. After turning off TLS 1.3, reload your site to see if the handshake error resolves. Additionally, you can temporarily disable the Always Use HTTPS and Automatic HTTPS Rewrites options in the Edge Certificates section. These settings force HTTPS connections, but if there's an underlying SSL configuration issue, they can sometimes cause or exacerbate handshake problems. Once disabled, test your site again to check for any improvements. If the error persists, it's time to clear your cache. Go to the Caching section in your Cloudflare dashboard and open the Configuration tab. From here, click Purge Everything to clear all cached content and settings stored in Cloudflare's servers. This ensures that no outdated configurations are interfering with your SSL handshake. Once you've purged the cache, test your site again. If the handshake error is still unresolved, double-check that your SSL mode is correctly set based on your origin server's certificate configuration. Sometimes a small mismatch here can cause the issue to persist. Finally, allow some additional time for the certificate to propagate fully across the internet. In some cases, this can take a little longer than expected. If all else fails, reach out to your hosting provider to confirm that your origin SSL certificate is installed and valid. This step ensures that the problem isn't on your server's end. And that's it. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to resolve the Cloudflare SSL handshake failed error and ensure a secure, reliable connection for your website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.